Arizona, thank you. A 12-year-old boy with a little dream in his heart looked toward tomorrow, not knowing where the road would go. From Les Cayes, Haiti to Guadeloupe, then Paris, France, across the ocean to America. And somewhere on that journey, another family found Arizona too. A place to work, a place to dream, a place to call home. Phoenix lights, Tucson nights, Mesa, Scottsdale, Flagstaff, from the Sonoran Desert to the cool mountain air. Red rocks glowing, saguaro standing tall. Different stories, one Arizona family. To the parents and teachers, professors and mentors, to every neighbor who helps someone find their way. Thank you for every open heart in Arizona that welcomes someone from another land. From Haiti, from Mexico, from Africa, from Asia, from the Caribbean, from around the world. Thank you. Thank you. And if one day I have to live far away in another state or across the sea, I will remember that Arizona sunset, golden sky, desert stars, the smell of rain when the monsoon comes. Because you can leave Arizona, but Arizona doesn't leave your heart. Arizona, you live in me. Wherever I go, whatever I see, wherever I see, you live in me. Desert in my memory, home inside of me. And in 1986, a door opened in America, a chance for immigrant families to step toward a brighter tomorrow. President Ronald Reagan, thank you. And to every Arizona family who opened another door, thank you. Arizona sunshine, Arizona blue sky, desert mountains, stars at night, monsoon rain, saguaros dancing, Haitian drums, African guitar sound, sweet Konpa beat, different languages, different journeys, one family. Yeah. Every teacher in Arizona, every neighbor, thank you. Every helping hand, thank you. Phoenix, thank you. Tucson, thank you. Flagstaff, thank you. Yuma, thank you. From the desert to the mountains, thank you. Arizona, if I am near you, I love you. Arizona, if I am far away, I miss you. Wherever life may carry me, one thing will always be true. I carry you, I carry you. You live in me, Arizona. You are said, I love you forever. Every village has a song, every family has a story, every creator deserves to be heard. Share your gift with the world. TimTim.Live.